Once and for all, let us answer this question. Are the Yoruba patriarchal or not? Our ancestors, were they patriarchal or not? Many scholars, respectable scholars, have argued that no, our people were never patriarchal. In fact, they argue that we have always held our women in high esteem, as evidenced in political posts such as Iyalode, Iyaloja, Iyalimole, and spiritual offices like that of the Yagun, Iyanifa, Iyalase, etc., etc. These scholars argue that we were never patriarchal until we came in contact with the Western world. These people contaminated our pristine society and introduced us to ugly, dirty things such as patriarchy. But then, was our ancient society actually pristine, or we just like to romanticize our past? Our past, beautiful as it was far from perfect because it was inhabited by humans like us, and nothing that a human being produces can ever be perfect. So the question remains, are we patriarchal or not? The answer is a yes, and the answer is a no. How can that be? Stay with me on this journey of researching Gelede and the truth about the Yoruba gender philosophy, my brothers and sisters. This is getting way more interesting than I expected. Washiri.